one. What's up, my life-size Barbies and kittens? It's your girl Petita Lychee, and I'm back with another hitter. Stop staring at me, bro. Today I will be doing another thrift flip for you guys with these cool jeans that I got out of the boys section, of course, because you know I get all of my clothes out of the boys section, and I just kind of wanted to fit them around my waist a little bit because they were kind of baggy and go after that whole mom jean but straight pant, cut off the hem type look that everybody's been going for. And if you didn't know, now you know. Sustainable fashion is coming back, out with fast fashion and in with sustainable fashion. So if you're not thrift shopping, what are you doing, sis? Before we get into the video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, and let's just get straight to it. Alright, so here are the jeans that I am fitting today. First, I started off by measuring out how much fabric I wanted to take out from around the waist area, and it came up to about 2 inches. As you can see, I measured 1 inch right above each pocket. Now, I was going to try to take fabric from the side, but that was just going to end up funky because you have to watch out for the pockets. Your pants will end up looking lopsided. You may lose a belt loop. So I decided to do the dart method, where you take out 1 inch above each pocket and I safety pin them to hold them in place, and then I flip the jeans inside out and I safety pinned all the way down this like triangular shape to keep it consistent, and make sure that you don't hold the pocket on the outside. Make sure you separate the fabric of the pocket from the inside so you don't end up sewing the pocket shut. And I folded the pins in half. I can't sew with safety pins and I don't have the actual fabric pins, so I ended up having to mark it with a Sharpie where I pinned my pins. As I've told y'all before, I can't draw a straight line. I can't think straight or walk straight or do anything straight, so my line looks like scribbled, like my niece drew it. I said that because she's right here watching me do this video. And I just sewed along the line that I marked out with the Sharpie. I watched on a YouTube video how you can make the pants look professional, so I ended up cutting the fabric around like the waistband to kind of take the sewing all the way up to the waist, if that makes sense. Just watch what I'm doing. I'm not good at explaining it verbally, but I'm more of a visual person. I hope you are too. So I ended up taking the seams out, sewing it all the way up, and then like reattaching the seams part like from the outside, yeah, or whatever. And this ended up making the pants like a peplum look, and I did not intend for that to happen. That was an accident. But it ended up turning out cute, so I just went for it. The pants were also kind of high water, as you can see, and we're not about to walk around like that. So I ended up just cutting off the hems of the pants and giving it that little distressed look, pulling out some of the fabrics. So now, you guys, I'm going to do a little part where I style these cute little pants. So, yeah. The tops that I got in the outfits that I'm showing you are also thrifted, and I also DIY'd these myself. If you want to know how I did it, it's just how I did crop t-shirts in my other thrift flip video. Just cut it across with a pair of scissors. The burgundy one that's kind of like uneven, that was also an accident. I realized that my greatest works come from accidents. Like, I don't intend for them to turn out the way that they do. They ended up just turning out weird and different and imperfect, just like me. So I think that's really cool, and it expresses me as a person, which is why I love sustainable fashion. I love thrifting, and I like doing DIY projects because it's a way that you can express yourself a little bit different in the clothes that you wear. And I really enjoy doing this stuff, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on your post notification bell so you are notified every time I post a lit thrift flip video or a style my friend video or whatever type of content I have coming your way next. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful, stay blessed, peace. From the 70s. From the 70s.